Okey, kita ada soalan daripada Tuan Muhammad Ishak. EA dan menu trade yang mana paling dicadangkan?
Okay, actually it's a very interesting question. I would like to take this opportunity untuk actually nak bagi tahu sebab kadang-kadang ada trader, okay? It's again my personal opinion, but I think some people outside there will probably concur with me on this part. Actually, kalau you nak trade dengan tenang, okay, and then you have other work to do, or like myself, I'm working as well, and also I'm just trading part time. EA will be the better choice. Okay, so you just letak EA dekat VPS, dekat XM. Actually, it's free. Okay, I've been using the XM punya VPS for the last 2 years plus ataupun close to 3 years. Before that, I've been using Google punya VPS for about 3-4 years free. Okay, so just running. So I have a few robot running it. So that's why I have free account running EA. So I don't really focus on it. Just let EA run. Manual trade, I normally do it on a especially gold ataupun contest. I have few account that I do ni. Okay, apa yang dicadangkan, I would say take the best of both world. Sama macam kalau you all orang kata suka phone, ada yang suka iPhone, ada yang suka Android. If somebody asks you which one is better, okay? If you ask me personally, I prefer both and I own both as well. So I know some parts features are good in iPhone, some parts are good in ini. Jadi ada masa saya pakai Android phone untuk guna those features. Ada masa iPhone ada features. So similar analogy, robot, if you guys know how to choose the right robot atau right EA, then by all means do it. And also if you know how to use the VPS for free, okay, it's not really free, you gonna deposit $500 dekat XM, okay, but if anybody running robot, I think $500 shouldn't be an issue to run the robot, okay, and you get it free. And the VPS provider actually in XM, I would say one of the best, okay. So far I've been running for 3 years. I think I didn't have a single issue. Even there was one issue, which was because it's my fault. I forgotten the password ataupun I couldn't hit. Then immediately they lend the support and it was fixed it immediately. So XM VPS service provider, which is I think if you're not mistaken, Bix. So it's very 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 stable. Last time even when I use Google, sometimes I need to go in when bila dia restart dia punya server ataupun ni, saya kena pasang balik saya punya indicator, saya kena ni. Tapi dekat XM punya VPS, I can say last 3 years, I think I only did it once that I need to reset ataupun restart. Other than that, saya tak buat apa-apa. So basically, I just leave it. Okay, so that's on the robot side. But just make sure that you know, because robot yang banyak dijual ataupun di ini, not necessarily you can maintain your profit. Sometimes after 3 months ataupun after 6 months ataupun after 1 year, the robot senang cerita MC lah. Okay, so just choose the right EA and also just make sure your margin, you know, this type of EA or this type of strategy, how much margin is required. So if you know, then you should be able to manage it. Okay, so EA I will at the same time, you also need to do a manual trade because manual trade sometimes is to get a quick gain. Macam tadi siapa tu ada seorang trader kata within like I don't know after NFP trade maybe after 1-2 hours he managed to get 100% profit. Kalau kita run EA, probably you only get about 2-3% ataupun 5% a month. Okay, sebab EA selalunya kena floating banyak sebelum dia boleh hit TP. Siapa yang run EA dia tahulah, biasanya dia martingale. Biasa EA kebanyakannya martingale, okay. So dia kena floating banyak dahulu. Kadang-kadang kalau trending, especially kalau gold ataupun even Euro Chef, kalau margin tak cukup, dia punya drop 500 pip tu, siapa yang run EA Euro Chef pun, yang pair yang biasanya tak ada trending, boleh MC. Okay, so you just need to know the margin requirement and what's the EA punya strategy. Okay, but if you ask me personally, I would say run both. Okay, sebab saya pun run both. Saya ada EA, saya pun trade manual. Okay.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, itu pandangan Cikgu Rashid tentang EA dan manual trade.